Good morning, everyone, and happy Monday. Welcome to CJ's Have You Heard blog. Today, we're going to talk about 3 steps to choosing a trade show. Orlando, Chicago, Massachusetts, Gatlinburg, Pennsylvania, Birmingham, Las Vegas, Oregon. The list just goes on and on. Our industry has been inundated with trade shows for this, a trade show for that, and they are all vying on your attention, or your attendance, I should say. It is a difficult choice in deciding which one will be the most beneficial. It's difficult to know, should you attend 1? Should you attend 2? 3? Should you attend them all? Oh, what to do, what to do. I'm going to share with you my perspective from both angles. Attendance as a distributor and what we hope for, as well as my perspective as an attendee for what you should be looking for. One thing for sure, attending at least one trade show a year is an absolute must. So click on my picture and let's go a little bit further in reading our Have You Heard blog.